This is a Buick 455, and I'm trying to do it, finish this line, the cylinders, to within 2/10 of a thou, which is as good as you can ever hope for. Gets a little exciting in the end because the slightest amount of heat in the cylinders can change it. So this block has been cooled, and that's as bad as it's going to look, which is within 2/10. The next thing I'm going to do now is before I take the torque honing plate off, I'm going to fit the rings in each cylinder so they're fit in the cylinder in its roundest position.